Hi, it's Harley from Liberate IT, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace or upgrade the RAM in your laptop. So now I've got it on the back side, all I need to do is take out these screws here that run along the perimeter of the laptop and then use either a credit card or something like this to pry around the edge to get the casing free from the rest of the laptop, and then just going to set that aside. So it can be overwhelming seeing all the components inside a laptop. However, all you need to see is these two flaps here. Underneath these are the RAM slots. I'm just going to pull this out. There we go. It just pops out. And then there'll be a sticker or something similar on here which will tell you how large the component actually is. It just says it's 8 gigabytes there. I'm just going to pop that back in. I've got another stick of RAM here that's also 8 gigabytes. This will give us 16. That's a common amount for a laptop. I'm just going to pop that in the other side as well. Put it in, flip it down, and push down the flap. Then we're ready to put this back cover back on and put the screws back in. So now that I've upgraded the RAM in my laptop, I should now notice a slight speed increase and it should be slightly more efficient. If you have any questions, please email info@liberateIT.co.uk. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.